Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time for another practical Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 X 孔。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And you know what? 最近呢，家里东西常常坏掉。所以呢，我想说今天呢，就来教大家，就是东西坏掉的时候怎么说好了。
OK， 最常坏掉什么？
而且坏掉呢，我们要教不只是东西坏掉哦，而且是比如说肚子吃坏了啊，东西变坏啦，也可以教嘛，对不对？
好啊，好啊。
So today we're going to teach something really special. We don't want it to happen too often, but sometimes it does happen when things go broken or when things go bad. Okay, like bad food or broken machine. Okay, 今天要教这些东西。你刚刚问我说什么东西常坏掉？
对啊，你家最常坏掉的是什么？
电灯最常坏掉了，其实。
天火坏掉嘞。
好像天上的一个缝啊。
天火是电火。
电火。
天火。
Wow, that's very, very interesting. The Hakka describes a light bulb literally as electric fire. 天凤 faitele, that means it's broken. 电的火那样子。
对呀。
Okay, so if the light bulb is broken, again you say
天火坏掉嘞。
天凤 faitele. Okay, 那万一是椅子坏掉好了。
电呢？
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 怎么又跟电有关系啊？椅子哎。
电
电。
对。
不太一样。电 okay, that's a chair. Okay, 椅子坏掉了。
电呢坏掉嘞。
电呢坏掉了。Or 车子有时候会坏掉。柴 Okay, that's a car. My car has broke down. 柴坏掉了。Okay. 那如果是食物坏掉 sometimes food goes bad. You know, it's sour. It's been put there for a long time, and so it's not good to eat anymore. So, for instance, if the soup has gone bad, 汤已经馊掉了。汤 that's soup.
出馊掉了。
出馊掉了。
就是臭掉了。
臭掉了那样子。Okay.
臭酸掉。
It smells bad. It's bad. It's sour, basically. Okay.
汤出馊掉了。
汤出馊掉了。Okay. And finally, 万一喝了那个汤就会怎么样？
呕力肚啊！
呕力肚啊，这以前教过哈，就会拉肚子。
对呀。
就拉肚子。That means I have diarrhea.
海陆腔。
海陆腔。
呕力肚。
呕力肚。
对。
那视线是
呕力肚。
为什么这么开心啊？我要去上厕所了。That does it for today's practical Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺自谁张来了？
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.